the Joplin tornado of 2011. A devastating tragedy and lessons for the future. On May 22, 2011, the city of Joplin, in the southwestern region of Missouri, United States, experienced one of the deadliest tornadoes in the nation's recent history. This natural phenomenon, classified as an EF5 on the enhanced Fujita scale, left unimaginable destruction in its wake, claiming the lives of 161 people and destroying much of the city's infrastructure. With winds exceeding 200 miles per hour, 320 kilometers per hour, the tornado marked a turning point for Joplin and the understanding of natural disasters in urban contexts. Meteorological context and tornado formation. The Joplin tornado emerged as part of a severe storm outbreak that affected the Midwest United States. The supercell thunderstorm that spawned the tornado formed under highly unstable atmospheric conditions, with warm, moist air rising from the Gulf of Mexico and colliding with a cold front from the west. The National Weather Service, NWS, issued tornado warnings hours in advance, but the exact magnitude and trajectory of the tornado were not known until minutes before it touched down. At 5:34 p.m., the tornado reached the ground west of Joplin and moved eastward along a 13.7-mile, 22.1-kilometer path, with a maximum width of 1 mile, 1.6 kilometers. Its intensity reached the highest level on the enhanced Fujita scale, indicating total destruction. The impact on Joplin. The tornado tore through Joplin, severely impacting residential, commercial, and educational areas. Some of the most significant damage occurred in the following locations. 1. St. John's Regional Medical Center. This hospital, one of the region's primary medical facilities, suffered extensive damage. The building lost windows, exterior walls, and roofs, forcing the evacuation of patients under extremely dangerous conditions. 2. Schools and educational centers. Several schools, including Joplin High School and other facilities, were severely damaged or completely destroyed. Fortunately, the tornado struck on a Sunday, avoiding greater tragedy among students. 3. Residential areas. Thousands of homes were destroyed or rendered uninhabitable, leaving tens of thousands of residents homeless. Post-tornado satellite images revealed vast areas completely leveled. 4. Commercial sector. Shopping centers, supermarkets, and small local businesses were destroyed, severely affecting the local economy. Human losses and rescue operations. The tornado claimed 161 lives and left over 1,150 injured. In the hours and days following the disaster, rescue teams, volunteers, and government agencies worked tirelessly to search for survivors among the rubble. However, challenging conditions, such as rain and debris-laden terrain, slowed operations. The immediate response included activation of the Missouri National Guard, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, FEMA, and non-governmental organizations like the Red Cross. The local community also played a crucial role, showing admirable solidarity and resilience amid the tragedy. Reconstruction and recovery. Rebuilding Joplin began almost immediately after the tornado. With support from federal and state funds, as well as private donations, massive efforts were undertaken to rebuild homes, schools, and public infrastructure. Key milestones in the recovery process included: 1. Rebuilding Joplin High School. A new school was inaugurated in 2014, featuring modern facilities designed to withstand future natural disasters. 2. Hospital infrastructure. A new hospital, Mercy Hospital Joplin, replaced St. John's Regional Medical Center. It was designed with advanced safety features, such as hurricane-proof windows and a more resilient structure. 3. Urban planning. The city adopted a resilient rebuilding approach, including improved building codes and the development of storm shelters in vulnerable areas. 4. Psychological and community support. Beyond physical reconstruction, programs were implemented to support survivors, many of whom suffered post-traumatic stress due to the scale of the disaster. Lessons learned. The Joplin tornado provided numerous lessons that have influenced how communities and government agencies handle natural disasters. 1. Importance of effective warnings. Although warnings were issued, many people underestimated the severity of the event. This highlighted the need for improved communication systems and public education about tornado preparedness. 2. Resilient design. Joplin's rebuilding efforts underscored the importance of incorporating higher building standards, especially in tornado-prone areas. 3. Interagency coordination. The disaster response demonstrated the necessity of seamless collaboration between local, state, and federal agencies. 4. Community preparedness. Joplin's case highlighted the crucial role communities play in disaster preparedness, response, and recovery. Conclusion. The Joplin tornado of 2011 was one of the most devastating tragedies in modern U.S. history. However, it also stood as a testament to the human spirit and a community's resilience in the face of adversity. The lessons learned from this event continue to shape emergency management practices and urban planning worldwide, aiming to minimize the impact of future disasters.